Okay, y'all, I am here because I just had the opportunity to go to New York, and while I was there, I was visit the store Adorama. Adorama is a photography store, and they held it down. I had a camera on hold, which was the new. Let me just unbox it for you because I told you guys I was going to get back into photography. I told you guys that it was something that I had originally started. I had my degree in, but I put it down. And that the Lord was really telling me it was time for me to pick it back up and run back with it. And so one of the things I knew I needed was a camera because the cameras I had back then versus the cameras that are now, the hybrid cameras that are out, totally different. I went from having mirrors to no mirrors. That just tells you a lot. So now I'm at the phase where I'm starting over and I'm preparing myself to do exactly that. Jump back into photography. Let's get started with this unboxing. And shout out to Adorama for the awesome service. And William at Adorama. He did a phenomenal job. He was very informative and helped out tremendously. So I now have the new Canon R6 Mark III. Y'all, I'm so excited about this camera because of its capability and what it can do. I already did unbox off a camera just to get the charger out so that I can charge the battery of the camera. So the battery is fully charged. This is what it looks like. This is what the charger looks like with the battery, okay? So we will be installing the battery and unboxing the camera for the first time. So y'all bear with me as I'm excited. Okay, so when you first open it up, it has the getting started manual, everything, the camera connect to do, it looks like to do for mobile, camera connect, and all these other warranties and stuff like that. But that's not what you guys are here for. So, has the traditional Canon strap. It says R6 Mark III. Then we go to this layer right here. This is where it is. This is where it is, y'all. So let me get the box out the way first before I go into the camera. The new Canon R6 Mark III camera. One of the things that I'm automatically jumping off the bat saying I love is the grip. This grip has not failed. I had some older Canons, but I have a big hand, so just the way this feels in my hand feels really good. So looking at this, it looks as if we have, the spot for the battery, but I got to do some more research on the camera. But it looks like it has a charging port right here as well to just, if we're steady operating, if we can just have a battery running. I have to do more research because, once again, I'm jumping back into photography. So y'all give me grace if I'm getting it wrong. But I'm super excited about this. This is amazing. I also was able to get my my lens as well. So we'll go through and we'll unbox the lens as well. Also from Adorama. But as of right now, I think we're good. Y'all, stay tuned because I'm going to be doing some shooting. I'm going to be doing some photography with this camera. And I just feel like we're going to create some really dope work. You see my sewing machines behind me. One of the things that I want to get into is fashion photography. Y'all know I make dresses. Y'all know I make gowns. You know I do art. But I want to get to the photography behind the scenes of making dresses and styling my own looks in shooting them. Photo shooting. I don't know. But stay tuned because that's one of the things we're going to be jumping in and doing. I'll see y'all as we go over the lens in the next video.